So you might be in a situation where the One UI 7 update is just not showing up for your particular phone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening is maybe because your phone isn't actually available on One UI 7. So make sure your phone is on the release log and update list for that phone. If you have a Galaxy S10 or Galaxy S20, you're not going to be able to get on that version of software. So just kind of keep that in mind. Number two, another big thing, make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection of some sort or a cell connection. I'd probably recommend Wi-Fi because if it's a really, really big update, it might just be better off being on a Wi-Fi connection. That's another big thing. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you might want to try doing is to go through and make your way back into your settings application like this. Scroll down until you see software update, which is right here. Click on download and install right up here. And all you're going to want to do is to see what happens when you go ahead and click on this update once again. So as you can see, if it says your software is up to date, what you can try doing is restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device and go ahead and just restart it. Sometimes restarting your phone can end up fixing the problem for you. And it might sound super basic, but that could be another thing you might want to try doing as well. If that's still not working, you might just have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. You might just have to give it a little bit of time before they actually update the system, and then maybe your phone will be able to get that software after a certain period of time. So in terms of that, that's another thing to kind of think about there too. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.